Welcome. Today I am with IKEA Symfonisk bookshelf speaker, and I'll show you how you can perform the hard reset of this device. So we have to click and hold these two buttons at the same time and keep holding them. After that, we have to unplug our cable from the electricity and keep holding until this device make notification sound for the 2 times. So that's the short preview how we are going to make it, and right now I will show you. So take a look on the application. We are connected, all functions are available. And right now, let's start. Let's prepare. Let's click and hold these 2 buttons, plus and the pause. Let's make it right now. And then unplug the cable. As you can see, I did it. And the next step, we have to wait a few seconds and just put this cable back. So let's make it right now. As you can see, I plug it back because this indicator is blinking on the white, but we still have to keep holding. Right now it's blinking on the red. Okay, and right now we can release. Unfortunately, there was not this characteristical sound, but as you can see, right now we sign out from this device, so we are not connected anymore. We cannot go for the system and just check the device information, and there we got the notification that we are unable to connect. And right now the notification appears on the screen, and we are able to make the setup one more time. So basically, that's how we can make the reset of this Symfonisk bookshelf speaker. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.